India's health insurance adoption is throttled by what happens at the counter. Hospitals give 20 to 30% insurer discounts, lose 10% in scrutiny, and still wait 45 to 60 days to get paid. This makes insurance unattractive and slows network additions. Today's players include G-Money, MediBuddy, and insurers like Star Health who charge 40 to 60% APR. Moreover, payer-specific rails don't unlock cross-insurer liquidity, especially for smaller hospitals. Coming to the market size, India's hospital revenue is about 180 billion, 35% of which is insurance supported and 15% sits in receivables. Our estimated loan book hence is about 10 billion, with invoice discounting serving about 40 to 45% of this, which brings the SAM to about 4 billion, and we target a 30 to 35% market share, implying a 1 billion loan book SAM. The plan is simple: we win this market, prove trust and speed, and then evolve into a trust-first insurer.
Our solution rests on three simple human pillars. First, speed. We advance 85 to 90% of approved claims within 24 to 48 hours, cutting settlement time by nearly 90%. That means beds are freed faster, salaries aren't delayed, and care doesn't stop for lack of cash. Second, transparency. With real-time dashboards, every stakeholder sees exactly where a claim stands, reducing disputes and anxiety. Third, alignment. Instead of charging hefty hidden discounts, we just charge 1 to 2% of claim value. So hospitals can say yes to more insured patients, and patients actually experience cashless care. With liquidity protected, hospitals rejoin networks and patients finally get true cashless care. Thus, trust is restored, policies work when it matters, driving genuine insurance inclusivity.
Think of Healthy like invoice financing, but for hospitals. Here's how it works. Today, insurers like Star Health ask hospitals to take a 2% weekly discount for faster payments, which adds up to 100% per annum cost. It's unsustainable, but we're different. We advance claims at 20 to 24% annually, while our own borrowing cost is 13 to 15% in the early stage. That leaves us with a 5 to 11% spread, healthy, transparent, and far more affordable. Initially, we estimate the CAC per claim to be around 20 to 40% of the net interest income, leaving us with 3 to 9% operating buffer on every claim. And as we expand, those margins also expand significantly. Our go-to-market strategy is deliberate. Start with credible but capital-hungry regional chains with 50 to 100 bed hospitals, build trust with large listed chains who have over 5,500 crores in monthly receivables, and expand reach to smaller hospitals once there's credibility. Parallelly, bring 2 to 4 insurance partners and 1 to 2 lending partners on board. This gives us both profitability and scalability across India's fragmented hospital network.
Our long-term vision is to become India's first hospital and thus customer-first insurer. The timeline? As part of the first 6 months, we partner with the 200-bed hospital, process over 400 claims, and validate fraud detection and approval models. By the first year, we aim to expand to 3 to 5 hospitals, process over 600 claims, and refine our risk framework. By year 2, we aim to onboard 15 hospitals, deepen insurer and lender partnerships, and lower borrowing costs to 10 to 12%. We see 2 key challenges in our journey: fraud and repudiation risk, and payment delays. We address fraud by releasing only 80% of the claim value and a rigorous hospital vetting process. We mitigate payment delay risk by diversifying payment streams across insurers and treatment forms. We are building 3 core technical capabilities: treasury management expertise, a robust fraud detection model, and seamless document verification. These, combined with an escrow-based collection mechanism and lower long-term cost of funds, will ensure operational resilience.
Hi, I'm Aryan. I was a founder and a VC in FinTech, and I lead product.
Hi, I'm Nihar, and I'm a career investment banker, and I'll be looking at building lender relationships.
Hi, I'm Khush. I've spent the last 2.5 years building a consumer brand, and I'm the one building our hospital relationships.
Hi, I'm Shivam, and I have helped scale a B2B business, and I'll help with partnerships and operations.